Hi, I am Gomtesh Upadhyay. Those of you who don't know me, I am a photographer and a filmmaker. Niye is a Tamil song composed by Funny Kalyan. Funny is a music composer and is also a student of A.R. Rahman's KM Music Conservatory.
Hello, this is Funny Kalyan, music composer. So I am the composer of the song Niye, which Gomtesh is talking about. This song is gonna be in 3 languages, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada.
We have dance as the foundation for this music video. We have Vishwa, who is a versatile dancer, to choreograph the dance portions. He's already brought in a completely new perspective to the song. What you can expect from the video is a very honest and collaborative effort of artists from various art forms. Zingo Hub is our crowdfunding partner. I thank you so much for your support.
எட்டிப்பிடிப்பதும் நீயே என்னை கொல்லடி காதல் நடத்திடும் இந்த மோதல் எது வந்த போதும் நீயே தாழ்வானவள் எதிலும் உனது முகம் வந்து